So this is for the Mid-Autumn Mooncake Fest, or Yubanga, whatever you want to call it, for the Mooncake Fest for Chinese, where people from across China just wants to celebrate the annual midterm festival. And I had to just mix up moon sunrise and the moon too. I took from early this morning, so just to make it part of the autumn mid fest anyway. So